First time using the DivaCup? Or maybe you just need a little reminder. Let's get down to it. We have 2 easy folds. The U fold. Press the sides of the cup between your fingers and fold it in half to create a U. Simple. The push-down fold. Hold the top rim of the cup and with your index finger on the top rim of the cup, push the rim down into the center of the cup base to create a triangle. We couldn't make it easier. Time to get comfortable. While sitting on the toilet or standing with one leg up on the bathtub, gently separate your labia with your free hand. Holding the folded cup between your thumb and forefinger, push the curved edge of the folded cup into your vagina horizontally. Once the DivaCup is in your vagina, grip the base of the cup, not the stem, and turn the cup 1 complete rotation 360 degrees. This will create a seal. Didn't work? Take a moment and try again. You got this. And the best part? The DivaCup can be worn for up to 12 hours, depending on your menstrual flow.
Join the inner revolution now.